Global warming, which refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases, has profound impacts on our planet. This documentary will explore how global warming affects various aspects of life on Earth, from the natural environment to human societies. Our journey begins with a closer look at the planet's ice caps. As the Earth's temperature rises, polar ice caps and glaciers are melting at an alarmingly fast rate. The documentary presents satellite images that show a stark decrease in ice cover in the Arctic and Antarctic regions over the past few decades. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, a problem exacerbating in many coastal areas worldwide, threatening low-lying islands and coastal cities with increased flooding. Next, we delve into the world of biodiversity. The changes in temperature and precipitation patterns due to global warming are disrupting ecosystems. Species that once thrived in certain areas are now struggling or have moved to cooler climates. The documentary highlights the plight of polar bears, whose hunting grounds are disappearing, putting the species at risk of extinction. Additionally, we see the coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, being bleached and destroyed. Due to warmer ocean temperatures and acidification, impacting marine biodiversity and the human communities that depend on them. Turning to agriculture, global warming poses a threat to food security. Higher temperatures and changes in weather patterns affect crop yields and livestock, creating challenges for the agricultural sector. In our film, farmers from different parts of the world share how unpredictable weather has disrupted planting and harvesting cycles, leading to decreased productivity and increased food prices. We also analyze how global warming has increased the frequency and severity of extreme weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires. These disasters result in significant economic losses and pose challenges for emergency response and recovery operations. Families and communities are uprooted, leading to a rise in climate refugees. The documentary features personal stories from individuals affected by these natural disasters, providing a human perspective on this global issue. We then explore the public health implications of global warming. Rising temperatures have led to an increase in heat-related illnesses and deaths. Our coverage extends to how changing climates expand the range of vectors, such as mosquitoes, leading to the spread of diseases like malaria and dengue fever into new areas. Experts in the documentary discuss potential health risks and the importance of adapting our health systems to these emerging challenges. Lastly, we focus on mitigation and adaptation strategies. Governments, organizations, and individuals worldwide are addressing global warming by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and investing in renewable energy sources. Communities are adopting sustainable practices, such as urban green spaces, and innovations in technology aimed at carbon capture and storage are paving the way for a more sustainable future. In our conclusion, the documentary reiterates the urgency of addressing global warming, emphasizing that the actions we take today will determine the planet's future. We must act collectively to mitigate its impacts and adapt to inevitable changes, ensuring that future generations inherit a world that is not only habitable but thrives. This is a call to action for everyone to play a role in combating global warming, reinforcing that while individual efforts are critical, collaborative global action is paramount.